Hello, hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. Today in this video, we will know some facts about astronaut. Astronaut. An astronaut or cosmonaut is a person trained by a space flight program to lead, pilot or be a crew member of an expedition to space on a spacecraft. When I am making this video, today 4 people has come from ISS to the Earth. Congratulations to NASA. Second, as well as being used to describe a professional space traveler, the term astronaut or cosmonaut is now often used for anyone who travels into space, such as scientists, politicians, journalists, and tourists. The World Air Sports Federation recognizes only those flights that reach an altitude of more than 100 kilometers, 62 mi, as space flights. However, the USA awards astronaut wings to any astronauts who travel above 80 kilometers. The edge of the space is scientifically accepted to be 100 kilometers above sea level at Kármán line. As of June 2013, a total of 532 people representing 36 nations have been above the Kármán line and therefore have reached outer space. The term astronaut is derived from the Greek word astron, meaning star, and nauts, meaning sailor. An astronaut employed by Russian Federal Space Agency is called cosmonaut, cosmonaut in English. The first person to reach space was Soviet Yuri Gagarin in 1961 on the board the Space Vostok 1. He orbited Earth for 108 minutes. The first woman in the space was Soviet Valentina. In 1963, she orbited Earth for nearly 3 days aboard Vostok 6. Russian Sergei Krikalev has been to space 6 times, including on 2 ISS expeditions, and has spent a total of 803 days, 9 hours, and 39 minutes in space, more than any other humans who has ever lived, including Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. 12 men have walked on Moon, 2 from each of 6 different Apollo missions. Cosmonaut Leonov was the first person to carry out an extravehicular activity or the spacewalk on March 18, 1965 on Voskhod 2 mission. Cosmonaut Antonelli holds the record for the most EVAs or spacewalks with 16 over a total of 82 hours and 22 minutes. Astronauts that undertake an EVA or the spacewalk usually have to use 70 to 110 tools to complete the tasks or fixes required on the spacecraft. Americans Jerry L. Ross and Franklin Chance have been into space a record 7 times each. 2013, the farthest an astronaut have traveled from Earth was 401,056 kilometers by Jim, Jack, and Fred aboard Apollo 13. Throughout spaceflight history, 18 astronauts have lost their lives during 4 tragic space flights. 11 other people have lost their lives training for space flights. In early space programs, trainee astronauts needed previous military jet test piloting and engineering experience. Today, high-achieving students of engineering, biological science, physical science, or mathematics can all make it. To become a NASA trainee, you are required to be US citizen. You must pass a strict physical examination, have 20 by 20 vision and good blood pressure. नासा का टीममेट बनने के लिए आपको यूएस का सिटीजन होना चाहिए और आपका ब्लड प्रेशर सही होना चाहिए. Once selected, NASA astronauts spent 20 months training in the variety of areas. To simulate spacewalks and test equipment, astronauts often have to train underwater in swimming pool here on Earth. Wow, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These 19 astronaut facts for kids must be beneficial and interesting to you all. Thank you so much for all the support you are showing to Celestial Space Facts. Love, love, have a nice day and keep learning and keep sharing the valuable things you know. I am also learning with you day by day. Thank you so much. Love, love.